Hello everyone, this is Groth and Heredity. Hope you guys are safe. Today, my subject is Science, Chapter 2, Class 8 version, and the topic is Growth and Heredity of Living Organism. Dear students, first of all, we need to know, we should have good idea on cell. What is cell actually? Suppose when someone make a big house, so they need to arrange some sort of bricks, you know that. All the bricks come together and it makes a big house. In the same way, human body or any other animals, plants and anything that is made by tiny little things. And all the tiny little things come together and make a big body like human body. And every single unit of the body every single unit that makes the body is known as cell. In a simple word, you can say that cell is a unit of organism that come together and make a big body. Today, our topic is growth and heredity. So as a result, you guys obviously know that how cell is growth. Like when you become very young, like when you're born, your size is very, very small, and day by day the size going up. As a result, now you become, you become a big man, like big girl, not only man, girls too, right? Anyway. So the first things, now you understand what is cell. But the thing is that now we are going to discuss about the cell division. Why we need to know about the cell division? Why actually it is very important for us. You know, like if the cell division is not happen on our body, our hand, our mouth, our leg, etc. is not growth properly. Sometimes you can see there is lot of people or lot of animals, their main size, actual size is not the same that they should be. So that's why if the cell division occur fluently in normal way, actually it gives the length of the body, its growth, the shape and heredity of the body. Not only the human body, there is a lot of organism around us. It is happen on the organism. Okay. Now, cell division basically divided into three parts. The three ways. First of all, mitosis. The second is mitosis. And the third is meiosis. Actually, it's not three part. Actually, the three kind of cell division. Today, we are going to discuss the first one, mitosis. I hope you guys already know the microorganism. The microorganism is divided into three parts. One is eukaryota, second is prokaryota, third is eukaryota. And today, because we are talking about the mitosis actually happen on bacteria, yeast, fungi, etc. So all of them are prokaryota. In version 7, the chapter 1, they discuss briefly about prokaryota, eukaryota, and eukaryota, prokaryota, and eukaryota. Okay, let's have a quick look. Prokaryota are unicellular organism. For example, virus, yeast, fungi, blah 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 blah. Okay. So if anybody asks you a question, what kind of cell division happen on bacteria? So if you know about that, so you know that this kind of cell division happen on prokaryota, and prokaryota display that sort of things is such as bacteria, yeast, and fungi. Okay, now have a quick look the process and the main things of mitosis, cell division. Guys, as I told you before, please don't try to memo unless you understand. Try to understand first. To me, science is like a story, science is like a very, interesting story for me. So I want you guys understand first. If you have any question, don't shy, don't feel any sort of, oh, what Mohidin sir gonna be think. Don't think like that. As I'm a teacher, always please ask me question. If you not understand anything, don't be shy. Contact with me. Okay, let's go. Now we are going to discuss about the cell division. The first one, mitosis. Okay, mitosis. The another name of mitosis is direct cell division. Okay, listen. You guys are very crucial stage and version 8. So you are already very close to your main exam, board exam. So you should have very good idea. Suppose if anybody asks you, prokaryote organism, what sort of cell division happen on prokaryote organism? So you know that, mitosis. If someone said that, what kind of organism is bacteria? You know that is prokaryotes. Okay? It's sort of a small like MCQ question. So you need to have very good idea on it. Don't try to memorize. Okay, in mitosis, the other name of mitosis is direct cell division. If someone is said you, can you discuss about direct cell division? Direct cell division and mitosis is the same thing, but different name. What happened actually in the mitosis? Okay, I just organize the process in my way, step by step process, and if you guys know step by step process, you can briefly answer the questions. First of all, the alternative name of mitosis is direct cell division. What happened actually here? Nucleus separate from each other. You know that nucleus. In a cell, every cell contains a nucleus, and nucleus and cytoplasm is surrounded to nucleus. Okay. Nucleus become large and dumbbell shape when actually it start growth or cell division. Become cylinder shape in the middle. Nucleus and cytoplasm are getting large and bond from the middle to the make two new cell from one mother cell. I know that you guys now thinking, oh my god, what Mohidin are going to say, I don't understand that. Okay, forget about that things, forget about it. Now listen to me. In mitosis, the process of mitosis cell division, I prefer to use steps. In the first steps, what happened? The mother cell, the main cell is become larger from its main shape. If you think, if it is, for example, it is 5 micrometers, it's maybe 6 micrometers or something like that. So, in your word, we can say that the shape of the new one is getting bigger than the mother one in the step 1. And you know that the middle part of the cell is nucleus, and the surrounding part is like a jelly-like things, is cytoplasm. Okay, so what happened in the first step? The cell which actually want to divide it getting little bit bigger than the mother one, as you see. In the same time, the nucleus and cytoplasm also get larger than before. Now, step 2. The nucleus get dumbbell shape. The cell become dumbbell shape, and the nucleus is going further from each other to make another 2 shape. You can see the whole cell, when the whole cell take dumbbell shape, it is skews in the middle little bit. As a result, the nucleus is skews and is going through the both part, and In the same stage, with the following time, the middle part going more skews, and it's little bit more clear than the other stages, that the nucleus going in two sides and also the cytoplasm taking place in both sides. And the step 3, you can say when the cytoplasm is skews more and more and more, it comes together and is break from each other. So one full mother cell is divided into two individual new cell, or baby cell or daughter cell, whatever you want, whatever you know. And at the end, it just take the main shape of the mother cell. Guys, now come to here. If someone asks you a question, or if the board question is like that, discuss mitosis self-division. So what you can do, you just say that, because you know you should be maintained a lane. So what you can do, just explain that cell division is very important for human body and all the organism. If the cell division is not happen, so it is not possible for the organism to grow properly. Okay, also the heredity properly. So mitosis is one of the very important kind of cell division. Now let's discuss about it. Mitosis, that kind of cell division happen on bacteria, east west, which is known as a word which is known as prokaryota. Prokaryota, all the cell division is mitosis happen on prokaryota. And which one prokaryota? Which one is prokaryota? Bacteria, yeast and fungi are known as prokaryota. Okay. Now I want to show you the steps. Show the process step by steps. In the first stage, as I said, nucleus separate from each other. Step 1, the nucleus separate from each other in the mitosis process. Nucleus become larger and dumbbell-like shape. You see that here, nucleus become larger and it takes dumbbell shape. Third, become cylinder shape in the middle. When actually the process start, in the second step, it takes cylinder shape and become skews in the middle of the cell. As a result, what happened? If someone just put your hand and skews in the middle, what happened? All the things is come up and down, and the middle part is skews. It is a little funny, you know. Sometimes you know that I like to make fun in the class. You know, if I talk and discuss, you guys are okay. I don't want to. In my class with a lot of fun. Don't worry. Ask me question. Okay. If you don't understand anything, directly call me. Okay. I will try my best to let you know, guys. Okay. And the last, nucleus and cytoplasm. As you see in the picture, the middle part is nucleus and the surrounding part is known as cytoplasm. So in the end, two different, the skews nucleus, when is just skews more, is separate from each other like that, and the nucleus is divided into two small parts. Sort of is look like that, and with the time, it takes a shape like a mother. Now, in conclusion, I have a question. Is the characteristics and all the activities of mother and the baby in mitosis process is same or not? What do you think? The quality and the inheritability or the characteristics or the working ability is same for the mother cell and the baby cell? What do you think? Is same or not? Same or not? Is my question. Okay, think properly and give me the answer. So, guys, the first topic is mitosis. So, you work going on mitosis is why in which organism mitosis cell division are happen. First one. The second one, discuss the mitosis cell division with figure. And The third question is the characteristics or working ability or everything is same in mother cell or the daughter cell? Give your answer with the proper discussion. Hope I see you very soon with the next topics. And next I'm going to start mitosis cell division. So for now, that much. Coming very soon. Okay, stay with us. And remember, stay home, stay safe.